Eden slept earlier because she was so excited to meet her crush. Today's the date of her crush, but she didn't know what to do. Eden expressed her feelings through writing and drawing. Hello? I will pick up you at 7 p.m. onwards.
Okay.
Okay, bye. See you later.
Bye.